Hello foodies! So here are my top 30 restaurants for 2024 and we're gonna be starting with top 21 to 30. So we have Okada Manila's Medley Buffet on the list because they have a wide variety of cheeses in their cheese room and it's my first time to try the other cheeses that I've seen here. Plus, you can also score a good and plump lobster during Fridays. For the next one is Queen's at Bollywood. Super cheesy na agad ng cheese na nila tapos pag dinip mo pa sa butter chicken nila, very creamy and super sarap. And kahit creamy, lasang-lasa pa rin yung Indian spices. Next one is Pad Thai Express. Their bagoong rice is really good. Plus, they really have a good pad thai and kalasa talaga siya nung tikman ko na sa Bangkok. Next on the list naman is Propaganda Bistro. They have boho or parang caldereta soup which is so good. But for me, their crunchy tricolored rice talaga yung best selling point nila. Mapa-braised pork or chicken man yung protein because grabe ang genius nito. Plus, sila palang ate yung nakikita kong nag-serve ng ganito. Next naman is Rue Bourbon. Their Nashville chicken tenders is one of the best that I've ever had. Sweet, savory, smoky, super tender, and best paired with their aioli. And must try din yung baked oyster nila because ang plump at ang cheesy. Next naman is Lobby 385 and grabe tong Australian porterhouse nila. 50% Angus and 50% Wagyu. Super smoky, maumami, and ang ganda rin ng marbling. Also, don't skip the spinach lasagna because just look at that. Next naman is the Prospresso Cafe because this sweet potato latte is so unique and it's best paired with their truffle pasta that looks simple pero very flavorful. I also like na pappardelle yung ginamit nila because it sip all the sauces. Plus, I love the crispy shallots on top. Next is Fat Fook Manila because dito pa lang sa Taiwanese style fried rice nila, panalo na. And palagi kong pinipare dito yung spicy wonton nila because it's so addicting. Ang plump ng wonton tapos sakto lang yung spicy sour combination ng dip. Next one naman is Chocolateria. Grabe, ganito talaga yung gusto kong sisig. Very crispy, maumami, may mayonnaise, and meron ding egg on the side. Pero yung pinaka-unique sa kanila is their torched mais and kesong puti pasta. Grabe pala, it works, no? Ang strong ng presence ng corn, plus merong balance na binibigay yung kesong puti. And of course, ang most favorite natin from this set is Kochi by Marvin. Kita pa lang naman dito sa kutsinilyo nila na super crispy niya na and super maumami. Pero the best din talaga yung corned beef nila eh. Huge chunks of corned beef tapos gusto ko pa yung crispy shallots for additional texture. Plus grabe, panalo rin yung oyster sisig nila. Walang lansa, super crispy kahit medyo matagal pa namin kinain after i-serve. So ikaw ba, try ka na sa list na to and try mo na rin ba yung iba? Comment down below. Yun lang, like and follow for more.